Welcome, KP Law News, Arkansas. See the picture of that inmate there? Well, that's a former Arkansas judge facing some serious time. Probably should be a lot more serious, but he's going away. Federal former Arkansas judge. Now, this is out of Fort Smith, Arkansas. This is where he mostly worked at, Fort Smith, Northwest Arkansas area. So it's a little northwest from where I'm at, but it's still in Arkansas. And former Arkansas judge sentenced to 7 years in prison for possession of child sexual abuse material. An Arkansas man who served as a county judge, prosecutor, and criminal defense attorney has been sentenced for the possession of child sexual abuse material. An Arkansas man who previously served as a county judge, prosecutor, and criminal defense attorney has been sentenced to federal prison for the possession of child sexual abuse material. According to reports, 54-year-old Daniel Arthur Stewart of Fort Smith was sentenced to 84 months in prison with 10 years of supervision following immediately after with no possibility of parole. He was originally indicted in January 2019 on charges of attempting to entice a child to engage in sexual activity after investigation was done into conduct that happened between February 1st and March 19th, 2016. This goes back, wow, what's that? Over 7 years now. Years later, in June 2023, Stewart pled guilty to information that charged him with the possession of child sexual abuse material in relation to the conduct. Investigations show that in February, a Faulkner County officer with an undercover profile answered an ad on Craigslist that searched for contact with a young guy or son. The undercover officer inquired whether the poster was interested in meeting up with what he thought would be a 43-year-old man and his 13-year-old son. The poster then responded positively, and a sexually explicit conversation continued on an online messaging platform. This is where the contact photo was discovered to be Mr. Stewart. The conversation continued and indicated that Stewart would reserve a hotel room with the purpose of having intercourse with the minor. When he arrived at the lobby of the hotel, police immediately took him into custody. Immediately. Didn't care he was a judge. They took him immediately. Police had a warrant to search his home, and during the search, they found several electronics where they found multiple videos containing child sexual abuse material. Stewart previously worked at the Sebastian County Prosecutor's Office before he served as Sebastian County District Court Judge in Fort Smith. He also worked as a public defender in Crawford County, and most recently, he worked in Sebastian County. So that's it. Judge, former judge over there in the northwest part of Arkansas, doing 7 years. No parole. Then when he gets out, supervised probation for 10 years. So he's 54, I think they said. He'll be 61 maybe when he gets out. And 10 years of probation. He'll be an old man. Old man. Old man. So that's crazy. I don't know. I was thinking if he's charged with all these crimes and he was a residing judge or prosecutor, what about the cases? Would that make the cases voll annoyed, or they don't care about that? Are they going to check into the cases that he prosecuted or he resided on when he was a judge? Are they going to do anything about it? I don't know. I don't know if they can. It's been so long ago. I'm not sure. So let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about this. I appreciate everybody watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, hit that like button. I would appreciate it. So I appreciate everybody watching, Everybody have a good day. KP Law News, Arkansas, out.